work, Blag. I told you. I fucking told you, Blag. You idiot. Send this screen. Did you hear that, Blag?
What is that? Are you putting a vacuum cleaner into your mic?
No, that's...
yeah, tell them when the scream as loud as you got it into the fucking microphone. And we're playing it into the loudest fucking speaker the world has to offer.
And we're gonna be playing next. Jesus fuck. Scared the shit out of me. Wait, did you hear that? Hello!
Yeah. Hello!
Mouse, shut up! Don't make us send you to the AFK channel. In case you're wondering, guys, yes, my internet is actually this slow.
I couldn't hear half of what you said. You kept cutting out.
Ah!
Here we go.
Ah, yes, it's an glorious flag. Okay, it's about to black.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure people will live from just spending the THX. They didn't even try to fucking yell, just kind of made it nice.
Yeah.
Flag, you lazy bush. You are so fucking lazy. Why are you so lazy? Flag, you lazy bush. You are so fucking lazy. Why are you so lazy?
They captured all of that, perfect.
Flag, you lazy bush. You are so fucking lazy. Why are you so lazy?
Send it.
Flag, you lazy bush. You are so fucking lazy. Why are you so lazy?
I'm gonna go, pause my game so the fucking game stops bitching about me taking it.
Fuck. You make just like that.
Coffee. I'm right here at different times than you.
Yeah, probably.
Let me show you how to scratch it. Let me show you how to scratch it.
You're at the field one, right? Mine just played again. Yeah, there goes mine blasting one of the rock face.
Trying to...
Let me show you how to scratch it.
I hate hard files.
Frank, do you hear that?
It's one of the horrible screaming sounds, screeching sounds. Screaming sounds!
Well, Mike, what do you think?
His mind is delayed.
Why do you think you masterpiece?
At the bottom.
Look, Jason from London. Should I submit that? Is the question. Jesus.
Submit to like the third. Submit to like. I said. Submit it to the third one.
Subscribe to Trojans and Gwine on YouTube.
I have to fucking do it. And we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.